be my love life, yeah, 'cause I love.
Yeah, the ego is like a glass house in which we throw stones, shattering dreams, cascading down, bust out the windows. With no hope, a little piece of you breaks off inside. But you are see-through, bitch. The image reflecting back is a lie. Distorted view, because outside, I can see the real truth. I can see the absolute. I can see the real you. And it's a hollow vessel, one in which you choose to reside. Your body is a temple, now watch it crumble to the sands of time. You and I have become one, our souls intertwined and ecliptic, elegantly bound, woven in our blanket of reverence. We are the equinox, the tandem, the two. We are the unified, the I and the you.
All I can see now is clear skies, too clear as I won't lie. I need you. All of this time that we wasted, our heart baby, facing all of what we've been through. Still cherish the moments we shared. I no cares in the world till the moment I see you. I wonder how it would win if we never split. Probably I was some kids. I'd rather be nothing to hurting me, something to you. You know she left me hurting. My feelings been screwed. Always feel like the burden till I hop in the stove. Spit about reminiscing about how we went through it. And smoke me a blunt, still can't forget about you. You are all that I needed besides maybe some food. You are all that I needed, and baby I still do. You still all that I need, but I can't get to you. You were my everything, I was yours once too. I don't know where we went to shit, but all I can see now is clear skies, too clear as I won't lie. Girl, I need you.
Girl, I know you would be mine. I try to be your love life, yeah. You be my baby girl, so good. Now come on out to play. Now be my love life, yeah, 'cause I love.
The sum of everything, yeah, the sign of nothing. Two-tone, a foul repose, branches broken, the stones thrown. Let me all F4, let me homeward bone. Let me control and delete this shit, let me cast horror stones. Everything's a novelty, and I'm the mirror rated to my own novelty that I can't read. I'm the people, watching the people, watch the players play the game, whilst also being a player, unaware he's being played. Yo, I think language is pretty arbitrary, to be honest. It's pretty misleading. But try to find a better option, and that shit will leave you speechless. But I digress. It's a little food for thought, you know what I mean? That greasy ass grit gang gang shit, man, you know what I mean? Get money, fuck hoes type shit, bro, let's go. Pinocchio.